My name's Nate Peterson. I'm a special service vehicle sales specialist for LDV in Burlington, Wisconsin. We build specialty vehicles for law enforcement, public safety, first responders, catastrophe response. That division, we do a few hundred a year, and we do about 120 a year for the special service vehicle side. Freightliner is the right chassis for a lot of reasons. I think the first reason is in the upfront part, the ordering process, we get everything we need. A second part is Freightliner offers us a lot more options when we order as far as that customization we need. Every customer's truck is different, so we need to be able to work with a chassis manufacturer that can work with us from drivetrains to suspension to braking systems, where we put the DEF systems, the exhaust systems, all the stuff that we need to be able to properly integrate what we're doing into this truck. That gives the customer more flexibility on what we can do with our design on that Freightliner chassis to give them that product they're looking for. And then the service afterwards, we have a lot of compliments on what Freightliner's done for our customers in the long term. What we have behind me is a Freightliner MT55 strip chassis with a Morgan Olson body. Some of the key features on this one that I'd like to show today are around the side over here, we have a flat floor slide out. So this slide out we build in-house. It will come out and drop down, creating a flat floor on the inside of the vehicle. Another feature is the exterior workstation here. You can set up your drone here, plug it into the truck, see it not just on here, but run it through the matrix to be able to see everything on the inside and share it with the teams on command on the inside. So in the front room, we've got a main conference area for command staff. As you can see, here's the flat floor slide out that I was talking about, where the floor is flush. These chairs can roll across it. You got a conference table in the middle, bench seating. Then one of the biggest points on this truck that I like to point out is our IntelliTouch system. This system is so easy to operate that I can spend a few minutes with anybody and they can run this vehicle. In fact, this one was brought here and set up by people that we never trained, and it was set up that easy. And it safeguards you from doing it wrong. That's the key thing. It will walk you through it in the correct process. We have in the center area a full electronics rack. This has a lot of room for expansion. 40 RUs, it's on casters and can be pulled out, so additions and modifications can be made over the years. We got a little check-in workstation, printer area, and in the back a couple workstations. Sometimes we'll have even more in this back room. So command in the front, dispatch in the back. So they have a mobile emergency operating center outside of the office. And you can kind of see up in the top, we have the air conditioning system ducted to create a quieter system for the vehicle when they're working back here. And we have a ladder on the back as well to get to the top, because this body is a full 1/8 inch body, top to bottom, NFPA tread plate roof, so you can get up there for service and anything that you need. So a question we get asked a lot is, what are the power systems on these vehicles? We make them self-sufficient. So when you get to the incident, you can shut the chassis off, start the generator, or right now it's powered by shore power, so we can run the vehicle if we're plugged into a power pole or a portable generator. But the generator itself is in this compartment. It's sound insulated on the inside and outside of that compartment, and it's mounted on airbags, so it's going to take all the harmonics and noise and vibration out of the vehicle, creating that nice quiet environment that's needed. The normal lifespan, what we see on these, is 20 to 25 years. And the chassis is still fine. It's more the body's getting older, the technology's way outdated. They have a new use for the interior and the way they want it laid out. But these chassis, they just keep going. So we have several areas in the country that have 4, 6, 8 trucks from us because they're happy with what they got from us in the first time, and they just keep buying more from us. Thank you for walking around this truck. Let me show you a few features of it. If you have any questions, please contact LDV.